So hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to make a video on how we can have just a single name on Facebook. I'm sure you've ever seen people having some names as just a single name on Facebook, and then you wonder how it's achieved. Sometimes you try using proxies but it doesn't work. So in today's video we're not going to use those proxies. I'm just going to show you a very simple way of doing that by just using your own smartphone. So as you can see, this is the phone that I'll be using to carry out the entire procedure, and now we are going to visit our Facebook. So from my Facebook account, you can see that my account has two names. The first name is Carrier and the second name is Kemunto. So we are going to remove the second name Kemunto and just remain with the word Carrier. So how do we go about this? But before you start, kindly consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, and you can as well share it with your friends. Now let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to download an application called OpenVPN. So I'm going to visit my Play Store because I'm using an Android smartphone. Play Store, and then type the name OpenVPN. You can see from this given area, it is the second one. It is the second installed application in my phone called OpenVPN for Android. So if I search around this given area, you can see that it will happen to appear, and already you can see what I have here. Whatever I have already installed in my phone is what I want you to install in yours to carry out the entire process. OpenVPN for Android. And then after that, the second application that you're going to install is an application called Indonesia VPN plugin for OpenVPN. So just click there, and then you will see it as your first option, and this is what we are going to install as our second application. So having installed those two applications, let's now get to the second procedure of now ensuring that we have just a single name on Facebook. So we visit our Facebook account back, and then we scroll downwards, we tap settings, and then we pick the very first option called the personal and account information. So I'm going to open that particular area, and you can see that from this given area I have got two names, or my account has two names. So let's now get back to our second application, the one that we have just downloaded, the second one, and then we open it, the Indonesia VPN, and then you give it some time to load, and then you click on this particular green arrow, and then we click there. So you have to give it some time to look for look for a working proxy, and then once it's ready, we'll just begin the process. So let's give it a few seconds and a few minutes, and then once we are ready, I'll show you how we are going to remove the second name on our Facebook account. It should be very easy, very easy. So just give it a few seconds, a few minutes, and then we shall be ready to go. As we wait for this one to work, guys, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, because this will be the best ever video you've ever seen on how we make just a single name on Facebook. So we are waiting for it to connect, and then we shall be ready to go. We give it a few seconds, don't lose hope, and then it will work. Believe me, it will work. It will work very efficiently and very well. Let's try another one and see whether this one will work this time round. Very easy. We give it some time. The Indonesia VPN must work. So don't lose hope. And then there we go, we are connected. Now let's get back to our Facebook and now see how we are going to remove the second name. We click edit, and now we remove the second name Kemunto to remain with just the first name Carrier, and then I click review change. So if you see that, that simply means that we are ready to go. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. So we have to do some extra configurations here to make sure that we are connected. So this one is still authenticating. We'll still get there in a short while. Let's now try to do it again and see whether we're able to remove the second name, and this time round it should work. As you've seen, we have already removed that name, and then we have to input our password. I'm not sure of the password. Let me just try to have it there, and then we'll have very good. As you can see now, guys, we only have a single name on our Facebook account. If we go back to the same account and then refresh, you're going to see that we only have one name. We only have one. So let me refresh, and then the second name will just disappear, and there we go. We have already achieved the game. It's that easy. It's very easy. So guys, kindly consider subscribing to this channel because the video has been of help to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next video.